Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are unboxing the new brand DL500 Smart Lock. Let's see what's inside the box. In the package, you can see the all accessory installation you need and making installation simple and compatible with different lock cylinders like this different cylinder and no extra tools, no worries. Here is the lock itself. One of the biggest highlight is a true DIY smart lock. No chiseling, no damage your original door, and also it only takes about 10 minutes you can installation. It also means you can save a cost of expensive one-site install services. It also supports multiple unlocking method, fingerprint, password, keypad, and also keep original key unlocking method. The fingerprint recognition is extra precise, unlocking just in 0.5 seconds. For added security, it has also anti-pip extra password. Enter up to 20 digits, and as long as the real password between in it, you can unlocking your door. This protects you from the prying eyes. So that's the DL500 Smart Lock. Quick DIY installation, no costly service fees, multiple unlocking methods, and peace of mind with Lotto unlocking. It's secure, convenient, and designed to make your life smarter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for teach more reviews. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Ella. After watching the unboxing video, let me introduce how it's used in real life. Firstly, let me show the multiple unlocking method to you. Fingerprint, password, and this app to use the unlock, and this keypad. There are also a one-click lock button and integrate emergency note for convenience. Once the door is closed, it locks automatically, so you don't need to worry about forgetting to lock the door when going out or before bedtime. Long-last power rechargeable lithium battery. The Bluetooth version lasts over 9 months, and the Wi-Fi version connectivity no guarantee. The DL500 is a reliable, DIY-friendly, easy installation, no professional tools required for upgrading your smart home security. If you want to learn more about this smart lock, please contact us at Ringdo.